Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make the best restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block, we got cheese and bread, and Parmesan, Romano, and HELLMAN'S mayonnaise with some butter. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best deluxe grilled cheese sandwich ever. This is a video recipe from my home to yours. Let's jump into it. Okay, as you can see, I got the cheese on here. This is some American cheese right here, and these cheese right here is COLBY. I just sliced them up. I was like halfway through it, so I was like, I might as well use it. I mean, it tastes good too. And this is the COLBY cheese package. All right. And then I took some Parmesan Romano and I sprinkled like a teaspoon on each of these right here, okay? And I put cheese on both sides. And trust me when I tell you, this tastes amazing. And I'm not lying. Alright? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this part right here. And we're just going to put this on this side right here. Alright? Then on this side, we're going to take us some mayo. We're just going to put some mayo on here. So keep in mind when you put this mayo on here, you got to remember it's got oil in the mayo. So that's what's going to allow it to brown and crisp up and taste super delicious. Okay? So, one side get the mayo, and the other side is going to get the butter. Alright, let me flip this one. Alright. Then we're going to take this over here to our little pan. And then we're going to put some butter in the pan. And that's how we do the other side. Alright? Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. What we do here, take our butter. I got mine on simmer right now because I want to cook this super slow. See that? So one side melt and on the other side butter. Alright, take our sandwich. Just like so. Sit that in there. Okay, we're going to cook this nice and slow. I say about good 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. And all I'm doing here is just moving it around. Just like that. I'll probably rotate it again. Because I want that butter to seep in that bread. And only reason we're cooking it low like this is because we want that thicker piece of cheese to melt completely, okay? Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I just want to flip this. So, go like this, real quick. See how it's not really brown? We don't want that. I wanted to flip it first before I start smashing down on that. If I can get this on here right. Just like that. You can always shape it back up. And you're going to press down on it. Just like that. Alright guys, let that cook, and now we're going to flip it again in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. So, in other words, we're going to cook it 2.5 minutes on each side. So, I'm going to flip that one. Let that cook for 2 minutes on that side, and that side will be done. You will roll it around in this butter, rotate it around in here. The cheese starting to melt. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, 2.5 minutes on that side with the butter. Last flip, the mayonnaise side. Now you see why I say take your time? Slow and low is the way to go. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Cut this sandwich for you guys. Turn it this way. See how cheesy they done got? Ooh, Jesus. Look at that. Cheese everywhere. This side is the mayonnaise side. Here's the butter side. Just like that, y'all. Ooh, gee. Ooh, this one is hot. There you have it. Right there. The best deluxe grilled cheese sandwich video recipe from my home to yours. Guys, give me a like, a share. Some stuff sliding already. Look at that stuff. Cheese ready to just come out of there. Look at that. Give me a like, a share, subscribe, and tell everybody what we doing in this kitchen. And please hit this bell. Hit that bell for me so I know that who you are, and so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. I'll see you guys next time in Dogg's Kitchen. I'm out.